What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. I like to find a play that has maybe a ton of potential to kind of be early stages in the game. In this video, I want to talk about one of those opportunities, right? Artemis is a project that has come across my desk as a brand new project that really doesn't have a crazy amount of funding right now when it comes to being in pre-sale, but it is still early stages within there. And before the next price increase, you have a certain amount of days, and we'll go through the pre-sale in this video. But again, it provides that opportunity that everybody wants, which is to get into something early and then have that 100 or 1000x potential and still not reach a ridiculous market cap, right? 1000x potential, you could see it go from a $1 million market cap, up to, $100 million market cap, or get to that level of a $1 billion market cap. It could be a possibility to get to that point, but it doesn't have to get to $100 billion, right? Like we're looking for Shiba Inu to get to, or Dogecoin or something like that. So I want to talk about this project not only from the investment side, but also from the use case side and what they do have planned for the future. If you could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out all the links for Artemis down below. I'll provide those at the top of the description. So let's go ahead and dive into this. The first innovative crypto marketplace. Artemis is transforming global trade and with cryptocurrency. Our groundbreaking platform creates a dynamic, decentralized marketplace for vendors and service providers. Discover a new era of digital commerce with Artemis. You can go in there and check their white paper and their audit. They have that displayed there. It would be easy just to connect your wallet. I'm currently in a different browser, but you can connect your wallet, and then you can get started with buying Artemis if you wanted to. So right now you have 1 day, 14 hours, and 23 minutes before the next price increase. And obviously by the time I upload this, it'll be different. We're currently at 56% of the overall goal, which is $1 million USD, which is not a crazy goal. We've seen others that have gotten to 2 million, 3 million, $5 million. And as you see more and more talk maybe around this, you then could see 1 million or even reach way past that goal. Currently you're at $563,000, and the price per Artemis is 1.4%, or sorry, 14% of a penny. You can see that you can pay with ETH, you can pay with USDT, you can pay with Sol, as well as pay with a credit card. I always like these options that they now have, where before the pre-sales used to be, where you would just pay with one specific thing. It would be like BSC, and now a lot of things are multi-chain in what you can pay with, which is always a great deal. Redefining digital commerce. At Artemis, we are revolutionizing digital commerce by leveraging blockchain technology, decentralized finance, and innovative market dynamics. Our platform ensures seamless and secure global trade. Invest in Artemis today to unlock exclusive pre-sale benefits and take advantage of our swift launch, promising prompt opportunities and early rewards. Empowering global trade. Artemis empowers individuals and businesses with a decentralized, transparent, and efficient marketplace. Artemis eliminates high transaction fees, middlemen, and geographical limitations, enabling direct and secure global transactions. Our vision is a marketplace where trust, speed, and innovation drives economic freedom and growth. Simple steps to get it. We did just talk about that. It's very simple. Connect your wallet, buy ETH and USDT, and claim your Artemis tokens. So you can go ahead and get started doing that today. So the things that it does offer, right? The advantages: decentralized marketplace, secure transactions, low transaction fees, which is what everybody wants, incentivized participation, innovative DeFi integration, and global accessibility. When it comes to their tokenomics, they currently have 100 billion tokens. Pre-sale is going to be 15%, marketing 25%, 25% for projects, 15% for rewards, 10% for liquidity, and 10% for staking. One thing that they are doing that they made me aware of is the fact that they are when they launch, right? So at launch, you'll see 14 billion unsold tokens at launch that will be burned. 30% of the total supply will be burned gradually at the first 2 weeks of launch. We are already listed on 7 exchanges such as LA Token and CoinW, and this honestly, as we look at this, it can potentially have the 1000x potential that we all want, right? 100x, 10x, 100x, 1000x. You can have those different levels, and depending on what you do within it, you can make that move as time goes on. Another thing is that their price has actually increased from 5% of a penny, which is 0.0005, up to 0.0047, which is a massive increase already. And they do always attend the blockchain expos and summits, which really shows their transparency and willing to put themselves out there. For an investor, I mean, it's something to where, yes, everything does have a little bit of risk to it, but you have to understand that there are opportunities that present itself all the time. And with where they are on Twitter, where you see 29 or 30,000 followers at the moment, at the time of recording this video, like, you see a little bit of popularity that will be there. And hopefully you can see more and more that comes through in the pre-sale side of things. So for their phases, for their roadmap, the website launch in the foundation website launch, you have the smart contract development and audit, you have the pre-sale in phase 2, pre-sale launch in phase 2, DEX listing, platform development progress. You have expansion, which will be centralized exchange listings, Artemis market project launch, Artemis token or coin integration. And I believe they have a phase 4 as well: renewal, platform feature rollout, strategic partnerships, governance implementation, and then you also have the long-term sustainability plan. So it looks like they have a full plan exactly where they want to go and what they want to do. But for an investor side of it, it may look like an opportunity for you, for the next person. They also have a YouTube channel if you want to go and check them out. I will provide all the links to everything down below so you guys can check it out for yourself. I implore you guys to check it out for yourself, because if you just buy something based on somebody else's suggestion, you don't really feel right about holding it. But if you believe in what it's going to do, then you can reap all the benefits and reap all the rewards based on what you saw in it, and it makes you feel better about your future investments that you make. But we'll see what it ends up being like. If you guys want to check it out, again, all of the links will be down there in the description. I'm gonna get out of here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.